Hi Aries, welcome to my channel. This is a general tarot reading for the month of July. Please keep in mind that the general readings and might not resonate with each one of you. Let's see what your month has. So Aries, this month is going to be very good for you. Alright, this wanted to come and this wanted to come. Now what you don't see is a wish fulfillment, prosperity. So let me just read the energies. So either you are going to break hearts, Aries, this month, or you will get your heart broken, but whatever it is going to be for a good. There's a new love starting this month after a cycle being closed, after you cutting off people or somebody cutting you. I see this is your energy because you again are in your power this month. You have a love offer which is waiting for you, which you will accept finally this month. I see you cutting off a lot of people unnecessarily. I think you being closed off unnecessarily. Also, just keep in check your temper this month. Just keep your temper in check this month. This is what I'm getting. But overall, I think there is a lot of new beginnings that you have been waiting for quite some time, Aries. Yes, there are little disappointments, but I think these are disappointments that you are somewhere ready for, somewhere that you know it. This was bound to happen, and maybe you have accepted it. That is what I see. Let's see. Let me take 3 more cards. Yes, like I said, there are a lot of new things coming up. There are a lot of new offers, a lot of opportunities, a lot of options. Like I said, even if you are closing off a few relationships or moving on from certain things, it is your intuition guiding. Like I said, you already knew this was coming, right? So I would suggest A, check your temper this month. B, check the tendency to unnecessarily think too much. Overthinking should be avoided at any cost. So this is, let me see what the major arcana cards have for you. This is what I see. I think you will be spoiled for options this month for anything. If you're looking for a job, love is definitely in the picture for those looking for love. Alright, let's take out 3 cards. Yeah, just verifying what I said earlier. Check your temper, unnecessarily thinking too much, hiding a lot of emotions, hidden emotions, keeping you up at the night. New cycle starting, things changing. Like I said, it's the month of new beginnings, clearly. And yes, listening to your intuition very strongly. Hierophant coming twice is, universe guiding you to listen to your intuition, for any decision that you make. You know it already. You just have to go within, take out some time and listen to your intuition. What else can you do to handle this situation? Also, for those who are not able to express themselves, for those who are not able to fully say what is that they need, this month urges them to be open about their feelings. For those of you who for those of you who feel the people around them are hiding certain things, they will come to light this month. You will know. Your intuition will know even if they don't spell it out for you. Let's see how you can handle this month. I'll just take out 1 card from this deck. Equal, which is, in your case, I feel, don't look, like I said, control your anger, be grounded when you take decisions. Also, equal would in your sense would mean that balance your emotions before you act, because you will ride a lot of emotional tides this month. So keep your emotions in check, is what it is asking you to do, in short. And yes, be ready for new beginnings, be ready for closing cycles, be ready for big leaps in your emotional as well as financial state. So all the best for you, and keep watching my channel for more updates. Thank you.